experience peace and justice in this world. But from Buddhist point of view, from our culture, when you talk about peace, just like the word Islam just means peace, means that it is our inner peace. It is a peace from inside. We radiate outside and make surroundings a peace. Having said about harmony, harmony is just only coming here and sitting together. And as you might know, the word harmony is from the harmonium, actually. It is a musical harmonium. I guess that in Pakistan you played a lot in all this gajol and so, very gajol harmony. That's harmony, it's a single practice. So harmony is something that when we walk together, when we sing a song together, with a different, it might be a different musical brand, but we are playing the same tune. And that is what harmony. Harmony in Samadhi or in Pali means that Magga means that the road. And some means that you walk the road together. You see? They are working together for some kind of a common goal. That is the whole idea of harmony. It's not a political harmony, it's not a political peace. So something, those kind of things can be really, reflect through those Buddhist heritage in Pakistan so well than anything else in this world. So my kind of my role, my conclusion, or kind of my sort of a proposal to the ISSI and people of Pakistan is that Pakistan's role in promoting peace and harmony is so great that how you can do it. Of course, you can use as a mediator of peace, utilizing your Buddhist heritage. You can say you can play as a mediator of the peace and harmony among nations and community, because those images, those art and artists is a universal art. So beauty is not a Buddhist beauty, it's not a Christian beauty, it's not an Islamic beauty. It is a human beauty. Everyone, without knowledge, faith, without anything, can appreciate and can share those things. So you can give that inspiration from each story, each stone. Just last time, I think you made a conference that every stone speaks. And that is, I think, very well said. So this is something that you can do it. And of course, you can reinforce the Pakistan's peaceful identity through those things. Of course, these days, when you're talking about the peaceful, it's become so polluted. But if you see here, when I've been there, so I was always complaining, say that why you are giving so much security to us? In the name of giving honor, I just don't feel that I am honored. I see left and right is gone. And then I always say that the peace wouldn't come through the, through the gun. But when I saw that the people are so friendly here. People are so smiling. When I go there, they see me a very alienated man here, but they run and they come up and I take pictures. So they're so friendly. So, but this identity, which is embedded in every one of us, how can we bring to a real kind of a presentation of who you are as Pakistan? I guess that the whole idea of the Pakistan, one way of these acronyms of all these 5 states, but at the same time, the Pak in Persian and all this idea is pure, spiritually pure, and it's a kind of a serene. So I just hope that you can present this, your serenity, your kind of purity of who you are as a Pakistan. Through the Buddhist heritage, you already own it. And if you do that, again, this is the only way that in this most troubling world, we can use what we got it as an example, as a media, to invite people around the world to see that this is how we have been developed, this is what we got it, and this is some way that we can be even answer to the whole development idea of a sustainable development and sustainability, because all the sustainability and sustainable development only happen once you are able to uphold the Dharma, the nature, the universal truth, the universal beauty of the art. And that is, I would like to say as my final